Welcome back to Food Safety Videos. This is week 3 of our series on prerequisite programs, or PRPs, those essential practices that support a strong food safety system. Today's topic might seem simple, but it's honestly one of the most powerful tools we have in preventing contamination: personal hygiene. Did you know that improper personal hygiene is one of the leading causes of foodborne illness outbreaks? Just one employee skipping hand washing or touching their face can spread dangerous bacteria to food surfaces, packaging, and products. That's why personal hygiene isn't optional, it's a core PRP. Personal hygiene in food safety goes far beyond just hand washing. It includes regular and proper hand washing, wearing clean uniforms and protective gear, covering cuts and wounds, not working when sick, keeping fingernails short and clean, avoiding jewelry in food zones, and no eating, chewing gum, or smoking in production areas. All of these reduce the risk of contamination. Let's talk hand washing. It's simple, but most people don't do it right. Here are the steps. Wet hands with warm water. Apply soap and scrub all parts of the hands, including under nails, for at least 20 seconds. Rinse thoroughly, dry with a clean paper towel or air dryer, and use the towel to turn off the tap. Hand washing should happen before starting work, after using the restroom, after breaks, after touching your face, and really, anytime there's a risk of contamination. You know, the best hygiene policies really mean nothing without proper training and culture. Employees must be trained regularly, and supervisors need to model good hygiene behavior. Visual reminders like posters and signage in restrooms and break areas help keep hygiene top of mind. Personal hygiene needs to be monitored and enforced. That means, regular checks, random audits, and immediate action if violations are found. This isn't about being harsh, it's about keeping food safe. Inadequate hygiene has caused real-world food safety failures, some leading to recalls, lawsuits, and damaged reputations. Honestly, something as small as unwashed hands can have huge consequences. Let's recap. Personal hygiene is a critical PRP in food safety. It includes hand washing, illness reporting, proper attire, and personal habits. Training, culture, and enforcement are key to success. When hygiene is neglected, safety is at risk. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and hit subscribe. I create all of this content on my own to help make food safety simple and accessible, and your support means the world. Next week, we'll be talking about another essential PRP employee training: how to turn knowledge into safety. See you then!